Hello again, welcome back to my channel. I'm really glad you're here. And the main exercise for today is making a video way less boring than usual. Today I'm gonna shoot some long exposures of some beautiful bridge with running cars, with long light trails. At least I'll try. This is my location and this is my main subject. The Bridge of Freedom in Novi Sad, Serbia. Fortunately, there are a lot of traffic today. That means probably I will get some nice light trails through the bridge, because I'm about to take a real long exposure of this bridge. So, this is how I framed this shot. I will use all these leaves, all this canopy of these trees here as a frame, because this bridge really needs some kind of framing. I would love to stay right on the center, but unfortunately there are a lot of trees over here on this hill, and it's just impossible. I walked through these bushes by the hill and there are no single open point with the view of the bridge, all covered by bushes. This is the only viewing point I have here. As you can see from this point of view, this bridge is going a little bit to the left and bends to the right in the distance. I need some kind of framing just to compose this shot properly. Now I'm using the variable ND filter here. It's ND32 or something. I have to make notes like what exactly the digits of my ND filter, but sorry, I don't know. Let's say it's ND32. As you can see, with the ND32 and F9, my camera wants to take a shot with 50 seconds of exposure. I need something lighter, so I put it for 4 minutes, 2-second timer. Let's hope we'll take a shot, at least if my camera doesn't fail. And take a look, there is a police car in my frame, which adds a blue light trail to my shot, which is a beautiful bonus, actually. It's getting darker. This bridge actually leads to a tunnel, and the place I stay is the top of the hill through which this tunnel leads. I switched my Osmo Pocket 3 to a low light mode because in other case you cannot see anything on this shot. This scene is looking nice actually in low light mode. So what about my camera? Will it show me something or not? Processing. My old Fuji X-T3 couldn't process long exposure shots fast. The processing of the long exposure shots usually takes longer than the exposure itself. That's crazy. I only use the gear I deserve, right? But anyway, isn't that just beautiful? It's just nice to stay here. And actually I've decided to take the same shot but in vertical. I just want to keep a little bit of empty space for the spikes of this bridge. With same settings, F9, 4 minutes exposure, we'll see. And it's quite a bit noisy bridge because this is a busy road. It's a city scene, very urban scene. I believe this very urban scene could be very interesting in long exposure. This is how it looks from the lenses of my camera. Probably I can zoom out a bit so you can see these bushes over here, these leaves over here from the top. And after that I will crop this shot from the bottom to make some kind of panorama. What I actually need to take long exposures within the city. First of all, you need some kind of nice location, because location in long exposure is everything. You have to find some kind of interesting composition with some kind of perspective, or just running water to smooth it with long exposure, or running cars to smooth their lights with long exposure. And next thing, you need a really steady tripod. And you're okay. This is it. That was just a quick exercise, literally 2 shots exercise for this evening. If those 2 shots turned out to be any good, here are the shots. Please feel free to share your long exposure shots in the comments on this video. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Ciao for now.